Pressure test. Pressure testing is one of the basic requirements when installing a wastewater system. Rehau authorised installers should be aware of the pressure test requirements of the Australian and New Zealand standards, as described in AS NZS 3500.2. The Raupiano Plus system can be pressure tested with water or air. The hydrostatic pressure test should be conducted in accordance with AS NZS 3500.2. First, fill the section to be tested with water as follows. For sanitary drainage, to a height of at least 1 metre above the pipe soffit level at the highest point of the section being tested. For sanitary plumbing, to the spill level of the highest fixture, or to the flood level of the lowest sanitary fixture, whichever is higher. In either case, not exceeding 3 metres at the lowest point of the test section. If any leaks occur, repair the defect and repeat the test. Alternatively, a pressure test can be carried out with air. Before you apply pressure to the pipe section, ensure the plugs are firmly seated and sealed. Apply 15 kPa air pressure and allow 3 minutes to pass for the system to stabilise. Now reduce the test pressure to 10 kPa and hold for the required test duration. The minimum test duration depends on the pipe size and length of the pipe section being tested and can be found in the table provided in the Raupiano Plus installer guide and technical information. If any leaks occur, repair the defect and repeat the test.
This completes the learning section. You will now be required to answer a short quiz to complete the training course. Please answer all questions as best as you can and submit once finished. If you would like to learn more, you can download all our relevant product guides and technical manuals from the download section on myrehau.com. Good luck and thanks for using Rehau.